So how to change your Lloyds PIN number. So before I dive into the video, it is important to note that at the time of recording, there currently isn't a way to change your PIN on the app, but it is still possible, and I'll quickly cover it in the video step by step. However, what you can do on the app is, say for example, if you don't know what your PIN simply is, there is a way to view it on the app. So if you click on the card section at the bottom, and then click on View PIN, click on Show PIN, it'll open you up to this page here, and it will display your current 4-digit PIN. So if you did just want to know what your PIN is, you can view it this way, which will save you from changing it anyway. However, if you do want to change your PIN, you will need to go to any ATM and do this. So you'll simply just want to put your Lloyds card into any ATM, and then once you're through to the ATM, it should give you the option to change your PIN that way. But overall, that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.